What's up, Mum?
Hang on a minute. That works. But this one don't work. I need to get this out. Because I want this one working. Right, let's see if I can get it out. Oh dear.
Let me just try and have a go.
You have a go.
Alright.
Turn the electric off.
That's a good idea first, isn't it? I'll unplug it first.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, that's the electric lead. No.
Oh, it's just a bit dirty under there. I think I might
Oh,
have
slide
to...
it on.
I need to try and get a new bulb underneath there.
Oh, look, it was
Can you do it?
Need a hammer.
I've a hammer.
Hammer.
I've asked
Need a
Dad
hammer.
to do this so many times, and he's just not flipping doing it.
Screwdriver.
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 Yeah. Then I can just go to B&Q. I said to him, I goes, if you don't mend it, I'll do it myself.
Screwdriver.
So we'll take it off,
DIY.
and I'll go to B&Q
There
and do
we
it
go. Oh,
myself.
fuck. Oh, fuck.
That was a screw.
Oh, fuck.
We will get this done because we've got to save electricity. And he said, having a light on is too much. So I'm going
Why
to
is
put
that
these
screw
on.
coming out? That was screw coming out.
Just twist it, turn it.
Turn it with this.
No.
Ah, there we go.
Good one. Thank you,
Sorted
darling. Now we can go to
Sorry.
B&Q and get it done. Well done, mate. Another job done.
Another job done. Bye.